Welcome to my YouTube channel CADverse. In this video, today we are going to cover Standard Toolbar. In that we are going to see New, Open, Save, Print, Cut, Copy, Paste, Undo, Redo, and what's this option. So new option we use to take a new file. If you want to take a new file, we can click on this button and here we can select the part that we want to take. Or we can also press Ctrl N and we can select the module and OK, and we'll click OK. Like that we can open a new page. Next, we can click on Open button and we can browse the file, or we can use shortcut key Ctrl O and we'll select the file, open. Like this we can open a file. Next, if you're working on any file and you want to save that file, you'll use this option. So let's create something. If I make something here and I want to save that, so we'll click on save and we'll define the location where we want to save the file. We'll give the name like rectangle and save it. So that file is saved in our PC. Next, we'll see how to use quick print option. So quick print option is whatever we drawing here on the screen and we want to print that. If we click on print button, so that will be converted into PDF. If a printer is connected with your PC, that will be get print out. So let me give a name, print PDF, and save it. Let me show you that PDF. So we can open this and we can see this is how it will be print. Now let's get back to software. Next option we'll see cut, copy, paste, how to use that. Now this sketch we made on YZ plane, and if I want to cut this sketch from this plane, we can select that sketch and we'll click on cut button. We can select any other plane, like I'm taking here XY plane, and we can click on the option paste, or we can also take a shortcut key Ctrl V. You see it has changed the plane. We can also copy paste. I select the sketch. We can click on the option copy, or we can take a shortcut Ctrl C. We'll select the plane where we want to paste. We'll click Ctrl V. Like that you can see we can cut, copy, paste. Now if you want to do undo, redo, we can click on this option undo. Ctrl Z is a shortcut. We'll click undo. Or we want to redo, we can click on this button. It will be show you. It will do redo. Next, this option is if you want to know about any tool, you click on this option and click on the tool. It will give you some details about that part, like it's a pad command, create a pad from, and open or close profile. Now if you want to have more information about this, you can click on more info. It will give you more detail about that, but it is only possible when you have documentation file is installed in your PC, then only you can see that complete information. Otherwise it won't show you. So this is all about Standard Toolbar. If you like this video, subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching this video.